Morning student. Today we will solve exercise 14.2 question number 2. There are 7 round tables at a party. The radius of each table is 20 centimeter. How much long ribbon is required to cover these 7 tables? In this question, 7 tables are given. The radius of each table is 20 centimeter. Student, let's solve this question. Radius of the table is 20 centimeters. Radius of a table is 20 centimeter. Now we will put here formula of circumference of a table. Equals to 3.14 multiplied by 2 into radius. So the value of radius is already given in this question. So we will put here 3.14 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 20 centimeter. Now 3.14 multiply 2 zeros are 0, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 twos are 4, 40 centimeter. Now we will multiply 3.14 into 40 centimeter. Answer is 125.6 centimeter. Now we will find out circumference of the 7 tables. So here we will write circumference of 7 table equals to 7 multiplied by circumference of one table 125.6 centimeter. 125.6 centimeter. So answer is 879.2 centimeter. Result is 879.2 centimeter ribbon is required for covering these 7 tables. Again I am explaining this question. Our first step is, first we will find out the circumference of a table. It means one table, only one table. First we will find out one table's circumference. So here we will put a formula 3.14 multiplied by 2 into radius. Radius is already given in this question. Now 3.14 multiplied by 2 into 20 centimeter. So when we multiply 2 into 20 equals to 40. Now 40 multiplied by 3.14. So answer is to 125.6 centimeter. Second step is, now we will find out the circumference of 7 table, because in this question 7 table is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we will multiply this answer with 7. So answer is 879.2 centimeter. Students, now we will solve question number 3. Question number 3 is the circumference of a compact disc is 28.26 centimeter. What is its radius? It is a compact disc. Students, now we will solve question number 3. Question number 3 is the circumference of a compact disc is 28.26 centimeter. What is its radius? Students, it is a compact disc. Let's solve this question. Here we will write circumference of a compact disc equals to 28.26 centimeter. Diameter of compact disc equals to circumference divided by 3.14. In this question, circumference is already given 28.26 centimeter. So here we will write 28.26 upon 3.14 equals to 28.26 upon 3.14. Multiply on both sides. Here see, after a point 2 digit is here, after a point 2 digit is here. So we will multiply with 100. When we multiply 28.26 into 100, so answer is 2826 upon, when we multiply 3.14 into 100, so answer is 314. Again I am repeating this question. Question is the circumference of a compact disc is 28.26 centimeter. What is its radius? In this question, we are finding a radius and circumference already given in this question. Circumference of a compact disc is 28.26 centimeter. Now we will find out the diameter of a compact disc. Diameter of a compact disc equals to circumference divided by 3.14. The circumference already given 28.26, so we will divide by 3.14. So answer is 9 centimeter. Now we will find out radius of a compact disc. Diameter divided by 2, 9 centimeter divided by 2, answer is 4.5 centimeter. 9 is a diameter, it is a answer. Students, let's solve question number 4 of exercise 14.2. Question is, the diameter of a cycle tire is 30 centimeter. How far will it move in one turn of the wheel? Students, अगर हम इसे मान लेते हैं कि एक साइकिल का टायर है और ये साइकिल का टायर इस तरीके से खड़ा है और ये पूरा एक 1 टर्न कंप्लीट करता है, यानी कि ये ऐसे घूमा, यहां से स्टार्ट हुआ, ये घूमा घूमने के बाद ये वहीं पर अपनी प्लेस पे आ गया। 1 टर्न ऑफ द व्हील, एक टर्न इसने अपना कंप्लीट कर लिया है। लेट्स सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन। द diameter of a cycle tire equals to 30 centimeter. It move the distance of circumference in 1 turn. We will put here formula circumference of tire equals to 3.14 into diameter. Three 3.14 into 30 centimeter. Answer is 94.2 centimeter. Now result is the tire will move 94.2 centimeter distance in 1 turn. Again I will explain this question. The diameter of cycle tire is 30 centimeter. How far will it move in 1 turn of the wheel? First we will write the diameter of a cycle tire equals to 30 centimeter. It will move the distance of circumference in 1 turn. So we will use here a formula of circumference of a tire or circumference of a circle equals to 3.14 into diameter. 3.14 into 30 centimeter. Diameter value already given in this question, 30 centimeter. So when we multiply this numbers, so answer is 94.2 centimeter. Now result is the tire will move 94.2 centimeter distance in 1 turn. Now we will solve our next question. Question is the distance around the wheel of a truck is 282.6 centimeter. What is the radius of the wheel? The distance around the wheel is the circumference of its wheel. So circumference of the wheel of the truck equals to 282.6 centimeter. Now we will put here formula diameter equals to circumference divided by 3.14. So here again I am repeating this question. The distance around the wheel of a truck is 282.6 centimeter. What is the radius of the wheel? First we will write here circumference of the wheel of the truck is 282.6 centimeter. Now we will put here formula diameter. Diameter equals to circumference divided by 3.14. Circumference is already given in this question, 282.6 centimeter. We will put here 282.6 centimeter divided by 3.14. So answer is 90 centimeter. Now we will put here radius formula. Radius equals to diameter divided by 2. Diameter is 90 centimeter divided by 2. Answer is 45. Result is radius of the wheel of the truck is 45 centimeter. Okay student, now the exercise is finished. Do you have any queries or doubt regarding this exercise or chapter?